Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from HackerRank website, and the name of this problem is Contest Leaderboard. Okay, and today is a day 38 of 100 days of SQL challenge where I will be solving one question each day, and I hope you guys are also solving one question with me to practice SQL. And this is a medium level problem. Okay, so let us read the problem. You did such a great job helping Julia with her last coding contest challenge that she wants you to work on this one too. Okay, the total score of a hacker is the sum of their maximum scores for all the challenges. Write a query to print the hacker ID, name, and total score of the hackers ordered by the descending score. If more than one hacker achieved the same total score, then sort the result by ascending hacker ID. Exclude all the hackers with a total score of 0 from your result. Okay, so we have this input format. We have this hackers table where we have two columns, that is hacker ID and name. Hacker ID is integer type, name is string. Hacker ID is the ID of the hacker and name is the name of that hacker. Then we have this submissions table where we have four columns, that is submission ID, hacker ID, challenge ID and score. So submission ID is the ID of the submission, hacker ID is the ID of the hacker, challenge ID is the ID of the challenge, and score is the score of the submission, right? We have this sample input as well for this hackers table and for this submissions table. Now they have given us the sample output, that what we need hacker ID, name of the hacker and the total score. And they have given us the explanation that hacker 4071 submitted solutions for challenges 19797 and for this 49593. So the total score will be 95 plus max of 43 and 96 is equals to 191. Let me explain you this in better way, right? Okay, so basically I have tried to explain you in a better way. So this let's say for this hacker ID 4071, they have submitted basically two challenge ID that is unique. One is 19797 and this 49593. So basically for this challenge ID 49593, it is submitted two times. So if that is the case, we have to take the maximum of the score. Okay, so the maximum of 43 and 96 will be 96, and then what we need to do, we have to do 95 plus the maximum of these two, that is 96, and it will be 191, right? 191. So this is what we have to do. So basically what if I do, if I find out the maximum of this score and then group by hacker ID and challenge ID, so out of these three records, this will become one group, and then this will become one group, and then this will become another group, right? And what it will do, it will find out the maximum of these two value, and then maximum of this value will be itself 95, and then we can easily do the aggregate based on the hacker ID, right? So let's do it in SQL. I hope you understand this. Okay, so let's try to solve this the question here. So from this submissions table, let me select hacker ID, challenge ID and score, right? Let me run this query. invalid column challenge. Okay. So we have just misspell it. Challenge ID. Let me run now. Alright, so we got the hacker ID, challenge ID and the score. Now to explain you better, let me do order by this. Order by this. Okay. Okay, and let me say that where hacker ID is 486. You people then understand it better. Where hacker ID is equals to 486. Basically we have to write here. Yeah, so now as you can see that this 486 hacker ID have made submission these, right? But the challenge ID is unique. The two challenge ID is unique, that is 20594 and this 68420. And now for this challenge ID, that is 20594, it has made 6 submissions, right? But we don't want the score of every submission. We need the maximum of this, maximum of all these. And for this challenge ID, that is 68420, it has made again 6 submissions, but we want the maximum of these. Okay, maximum of this score. So we can easily say that group by this hacker ID and challenge ID, we can find out the maximum of this column. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now I don't need these two things right now. I can easily say max of this, and these two columns are non-aggregated, so definitely I have to use them in my group by. So group by these two columns, Control C, group by this. And now let me run this. All right, now what I need, I have the hacker ID, I have the challenge ID, I have the score. I also want the name. So name is present in the hackers table. So what we can do is we can join this this table with the hackers table, right? And let me create this as a virtual table with CT as this one. Let me say select star from CTE, and let me give alias as for now, let's say score 1. Select star from CTE as C, inner join with hackers table, inner join hackers as H on C dot hacker ID. So hacker ID is common in both the table, is equals to H dot hacker ID. And what columns I need? I need the hacker ID. So a hacker ID I will take from this CT table. So C dot hacker ID, C dot hacker ID, and then I need the name. So name is present in hackers table, so h dot name, then this I need this score 1. Score 1 is present in ct, so c1, sorry, c dot this. Okay, and let me run this. Okay, and now let me just order by also, so that you people understand it better. Order by, let's say this. Okay, so now as you can see that this rows row's score is 45 and 29. We want to do the sum of this 45 plus 29. For this Angela, the score will be 107. For this Lisa, the score will be 66 plus 49. So it is very clear that I need to aggregate this column. I need to use sum function and group by these two columns. So simply what I can say, sum this score column and give as total score and group by these two columns. And now I don't want this is only to show you people, and let me run this. Okay, so now we have the hacker ID, we have the name, we have the score, total score as well. So let me just quickly say ct2 as this and say select star from ct2, and if I run this I will get all these three columns. Yeah, but I don't need all these columns. As you can see that there are some hackers with the total score of 0. Okay, so as you can see here, this Walter has 0, this John has 0, so I need to exclude them. So what we can say is, we can say where this total score should not be 0. I don't want those hacker which scored total of 0 mark, 0 score. Okay, so we have exclude those hackers. Now what we need to do is, we need to order this as well. So I need to do order by, first order by total score in descending form, order by total score descending, and if the two or more hackers have the same total score, then we have to sort them by the ascending hacker ID. Okay, so let's say hacker ID in ascending form. So by default it's ascending. Why it's taking time to process. Okay, so we have successfully passed all the sample test cases, and let me just quickly submit the code. And if you guys are liking my videos, please subscribe to the channel and hit the subscribe button and comment as well. So thank you so much for watching this video.